Hey everybody, Chuck Samples on KVOE social media. We are tracking the threat of severe thunderstorm activity for the middle afternoon and evening hours tonight. You're taking a look right now at what we see when we do our severe weather coverage, and that's WeatherTap.com radar, our partner that we've had for a number of years. You can already see a couple of features. One happens to be this complex, which is now developing west of Russell as of noon today. And then there is more coming. We'll show you a wider scope here in just a second. But the red area that we're seeing here as well is a severe thunderstorm watch. Here's Emporia. Here's our KVOE listening area here for Lyon and surrounding counties. And as you can see here, as we zoom in, that goes until 7 o'clock tonight. So we've got an extended period here of some severe thunderstorms, at least possible. And there are a couple of key risks that we want to tell you about here. First off is going to be egg-sized hail. So you're looking at 2 inches in diameter as a top-end risk. That's the possibility now. Some folks could wind up getting smaller hail. Maybe a lot of us do here over the next several hours. But the other really big issue that we're looking at the forecast here is the possibility of wind gusts anywhere from 60 to 80 miles per hour, which would be quite damaging. And as we zoom back out, the reason we're looking at this as a major concern later is the thunderstorm activity that we're seeing coming out of Nebraska and then moving into north central Kansas as we speak. That's the activity now that we are expecting across the area, say after 3 o'clock this afternoon. Quite possibly 4 to 7 p.m. is the tentative time frame that we're looking at. The tornadic risk here is extremely low. It can't be totally ruled out, but all of the attention right now is focusing on the potential for hail and wind across the area for mid-afternoon into the early to mid-evening hours here tonight. And the atmosphere is extremely unstable. You know the humidity that you've been feeling here over the last several days. A stat that we don't talk about on the morning show deals with what's called CAPE values, which is essentially a reflection of the instability in the atmosphere. And anytime you get above, say, 3,000 to 3,500 joules per kilogram, that's fairly explosive. Right now, the surface-based CAPE is at 6,000 joules per kilogram. So an explosive atmosphere is ahead. We do have a chance of showers and thunderstorms developing here shortly across the area. And once they get here, it looks like we could well be dealing with severe weather for the afternoon period. Stay with KVOE, KVOE.com, and our KVOE social media channels, Facebook at KVOE News, Instagram at KVOE News, YouTube at KVOE News, and Twitter at KVOE AM 1400. We'll definitely keep you safe and informed here throughout the afternoon and evening hours today.